We're going to go over a fantastic new product. So Clocklocked is an introduction to Clocklocked, what Clocklocked is and what it's going to do for you guys. Clocklocked is our new PPC controlling tool, right? So we're going to have improved marketplace ads for Amazon and Walmart, setting ACOS and ROAS goals inside of the system. You're sending daily reports to Sellercloud as well. So if you guys want to automate your ad spend coming into those profit and loss reports from Amazon, you're able to do that. And a ton of additional features that we're going to be going over as well. So as for the basic version, there is a free version of Clocklocked right now. So we did previously have, for certain Sellercloud users, as you might know, the ability to download that ad spend. We did push that into Clocklocked, so there is a free version of Clocklocked where you'll be able to go ahead and aggregate and visualize ad information for multiple Amazon accounts, access data reports for long periods of time, and compare data from past periods, shortcuts and automation, create and edit campaigns from the Clocklocked user interface directly. Now, as for sending daily reports to Sellercloud per SKU, per ad type, we are downloading those daily reports right from Amazon, and we're able to apply them into the profit and loss report. So if you do have this set up, you're going to be able to get the ad spend, and it's going to show up under your other channel fees over here inside of Sellercloud. This way you can calculate that ad spend on a SKU level for profitability. You're also going to be able to connect multiple Amazon accounts and multiple marketplaces inside of Clocklocked. So if you do have 3 or 4 different Amazon accounts that you're managing inside of Sellercloud, you'll be able to add all of those individual accounts to view those reports and manage the campaigns. You're also going to be able to set personal goals for your ACOS, your ad cost of sale, and your ROAS, your revenue on ad spend. This way you can go ahead and get a better idea on what you should be doing to manage these ads and these campaigns in Clocklocked. Now, you're also going to have an active listings report, so this way you can view the health of these different ads that you have up there and the different listings that you have available, and soon we'll also be providing different suggestions and things like that on different products that you may not be advertising so that you can get them up as well. And then right from the front screen as well, you're going to be able to see, so we do have a fantastic dashboard when you click into the individual marketplaces that you're managing to be able to see those goals for ACOS and ROAS right at the bat. Now, you're also going to be able to choose to add and remove users from this account, very similar to what you're able to do within your Sellercloud account and setting the different permissions on there. So if you only want certain users to be able to go in there, those main ones that are actually managing your ad campaigns, you'll be able to set those permissions very similar to Sellercloud. Now, we do have a pro version as well that's coming. But with the pro version, you're going to be getting a lot of additional features. So you're going to actually be able to build and manage the different budgetary rules for your Amazon sponsored products. So if you want to edit and create new campaigns, you're going to be able to do that right through the Clocklocked application. Not only are you going to be able to add Amazon sponsored products, but you're going to be able to edit these campaigns right from here. You're going to be able to edit the different budgetary rules with your hourly, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly budgetary rules. This way you'll be able to reallocate unspent budget to the periods that you're having higher volume on your ads. This way you're having less issues with gapping. Now, here's some of the rules that you're going to be able to set with inside of Sellercloud to help with this automation. So these rules are where you're going to be able to choose, depending on what time of day you want these campaigns to run, what percentage of your budget per day that you're going to want to spend, depending on these different time periods. This way that you can truly turn on and off that faucet based on what's going to help you maximize your sales for when you're actually getting these sales against these clicks. Now, another new feature that we're adding in there, this is going to be for Walmart Connect. Again, thank you very much, Zach, for introducing us and for going over and helping us with getting this set up inside of Sellercloud so quickly and Clocklocked. But with Walmart Connect, you'll be able to go ahead and get reports and real-time ad spend data into the system. So live stats and everything coming right from your Walmart campaigns. You're also going to be able to see advertised listing performance. So if you want to get a health report on each of the different campaigns inside of Clocklocked that you're actually managing on Walmart, you'll be able to see those reports as well. We also have a recommendation report too. So different products that you might not be actually managing with the ads on Clocklocked or on Walmart yet, we will give you recommendations to go ahead and let you know which products you should be advertising on Amazon or on Walmart in this example, based on the products that you're selling and how fast you're selling those products. Now, we do have an advanced version as well, and the advanced version is going to act as a data reservoir, right? So if you want to go ahead and use Sellercloud as a data reservoir or a data lake, which is also known as, you'll be able to go ahead and sign up where you'll have a dedicated instance that you can go ahead and have all of this ad information coming into in a format that you'll be able to query for any custom reports that you want. So if you want to connect this into like a Power BI or something like that, you'll have that ability as well. Now, we do have a ton of future plans as well coming for Clocklocked. One of the new ones are their brand new UI. So we're going to be adding in a new, friendlier user interface. As you can see, we got all the fun little bubbles and icons and stuff like that. Make it easier to identify which channels and marketplaces that you're going to be working on, whether that's your Amazons or your Walmarts and a few of the other channels that hopefully we'll be getting in Clocklocked soon. Speaking of which, eBay advertising, controlling Walmart advertising is some of the future plans. And the advanced plan where Clocklocked is going to manage the actual campaigns and help you with some additional performance on those campaigns based on all of the information and data that we are pulling into the system. Now, as for pricing, so like I mentioned, for the basic version, it is free. So if you're looking to have that Amazon ad spend coming into Sellercloud and you want to automate that for your sponsored products, go ahead, contact your account manager and get that set up. It's a great way to go ahead and get introduced to the new product. And then if you do see that there's big value for you, we do have the pro and the advanced versions as well. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you guys enjoyed Clocklocked.